In the quiet, northern forests of the world, a true giant walks. An animal so improbably large, it seems from a different age. This isn't just a deer, this is the moose. A creature of paradox, simultaneously powerful and graceful, solitary and symbolic. Today, we delve into everything you need to know about this fantastic animal, from its incredible biology to its vital role in the ecosystem, all grounded in scientific evidence. 1. Taxonomy and global presence. First, let's place the moose on the map. Scientifically known as Alces, it is the largest and tallest member of the deer family, Cervidae. Contrary to popular belief, the names moose and elk refer to the same species. In North America, we call it a moose. In Eurasia, it's called an elk. They're found across the northern latitudes, from the forests of Canada and Alaska through Scandinavia and the Baltic states, and across Russia all the way to Siberia. Their adaptability is key. They thrive in boreal and temperate broadleaf forests, often near lakes, marshes, and rivers. 2. Incredible size and physique. The statistics are staggering. A large bull moose can stand over 2.1 meters or 7 feet, tall at the shoulder and weigh between 1,200 and 1,600 pounds. That's the size of a small sedan. Their legs are incredibly long, an adaptation for moving through deep snow and navigating dense underbrush. But this size comes with a fascinating anatomical quirk. To graze on low-lying vegetation, a moose cannot simply bend its neck. Instead, it must splay its front legs wide or kneel. This unique challenge shaped its diet and foraging behavior. 3. The iconic antlers. The moose's antlers are a marvel of natural engineering. They are the largest of any living deer species, with a paddle-like shape called palmate. They can span up to 6 feet and weigh over 40 pounds. Here's the fascinating part. They are grown and shed every single year. This process is fueled by testosterone and consumes a tremendous amount of energy and minerals like calcium and phosphorus. In the spring, antlers are covered in a highly vascularized skin called velvet that delivers nutrients for rapid growth. By autumn, the velvet is shed, revealing the dead bone beneath, which the bull will use for display and combat during the rut, or mating season. Once the rut is over, the antlers drop off to conserve energy for the winter. 4. A specialized diet and digestion. Moose are herbivores, but not just any herbivores. They are browsers, preferring the shoots and leaves of woody plants like willow, birch, and aspen. An adult moose can eat up to 60 pounds of vegetation a day. Their most surprising food source is aquatic plants. In summer, they wade into lakes to feed on lilies and pondweed. This isn't just a preference, it's a strategic move. Scientific studies, including those published in journals like Oecologia, have shown that aquatic plants are rich in sodium, a crucial mineral moose lack in their terrestrial diet. The water also helps them thermoregulate and escape biting insects. Like cows, moose are ruminants. They have a 4-chambered stomach that uses microbial fermentation to break down tough cellulose, extracting maximum nutrients from their fibrous diet. 5. Senses and behavior. A moose's senses are perfectly tuned for its environment. Their hearing is exceptional, aided by large, rotating ears that can pinpoint the slightest sound. Their eyesight is less acute, better at detecting movement than detail. But their most powerful sense is smell. It's their primary tool for detecting predators, finding mates, and locating food. Despite their imposing size, they are generally solitary animals, except for cows with their calves. The calves stay with their mothers for about a year, learning where to feed and how to avoid danger. 6. The rut and reproduction. The autumn rut is the most dramatic time of the year. Bulls become aggressive and territorial. They dig rutting pits, urinate in them, and roll to create a potent scent to attract females. They also emit deep, resonant grunts to challenge rivals and advertise their presence. Clashes between rival bulls are spectacular and can be violent, with the sound of clashing antlers echoing through the forest. The victor earns the right to mate with receptive females. After a gestation period of about 8 months, a cow gives birth to 1 or 2 calves in the spring. 7. Predators and threats. An adult moose has few natural predators, but they are not invincible. Wolves are their primary hunter, often targeting young, old, or sick individuals. Bears will also prey on calves. However, the greatest modern threats are often invisible. Winter ticks are a devastating parasite. As documented by wildlife agencies and research in journals like the Canadian Journal of Zoology, a single moose can host tens of thousands of ticks. The moose rubs off its own fur to get rid of them, leading to a ghost-like appearance known as ghost moose. This hair loss leads to fatal hypothermia and blood loss, especially in calves. Climate change is exacerbating this problem, with shorter winters leading to higher tick survival rates. Other threats include brainworm, a parasite carried by white-tailed deer that is fatal to moose, and, of course, vehicle collisions. 8. Moose and humans. The relationship between humans and moose is long and complex. They have been hunted for their meat and hide for millennia. Today, they are a cornerstone of wildlife management and a prized game animal in a regulated, sustainable system. Perhaps more importantly, they are an ecotourism icon, drawing people to northern regions for the chance to see one in the wild. But it's crucial to remember, they are wild animals. While typically not aggressive, a moose, especially a cow with a calf or a bull in the rut, can be extremely dangerous. They can charge at speeds of 35 miles per hour. The advice from experts is always the same: admire them from a very safe distance. 9. Conclusion. The moose is more than just an animal. It is an indicator species for the health of the northern wilderness. Its immense size, incredible adaptations, and complex life history are a testament to the power of evolution. From its annual antler cycle to its strategic aquatic diet, every facet of its biology is backed by fascinating science. It is a creature that commands respect and reminds us of the wild, untamed spirit of the forests it calls home. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more journeys into the natural world.